Welcome back. So far, our bakery has SKU items and we've stocked our inventory by creating orders from our suppliers. Now it's time to create sandwiches, our main product. To begin, click the product icon. You'll see we've already created a few products ahead of time, but let's go ahead and configure a new sandwich. Bring up the toolbar and click on Configure New Product. On the left, you'll see all the SKUs available to build a product. Let's create a turkey sandwich on a brioche bun. So begin by dragging the bread, cheese, turkey, mustard, mayo, and tomato. Now indicate the quantities for each of these SKUs. 1 brioche bun. We'll do 0.1 kilograms of cheddar cheese, 0.3 kilograms of turkey, 0.1 kilograms of mustard, 0.05 kilograms of mayo, and 0.3 kilograms of tomato. So notice that as you input these quantities into your SKUs, the product's raw material costs will change. Now give the sandwich a name and enter any other costs that might be related to it. We'll name this a turkey special and add $1 for labor and admin cost of 0. Finally, indicate the margin you want to put on top of your cost, and then you'll see that your final sales price will be automatically adjusted and calculated for you. And once done, click Save when you're ready. So going back to the main product screen, you'll now see your turkey sandwich. So the alert color indicates if this product generates revenue. Green means the margin is greater than 0. Yellow would mean it is at 0. And red means you actually lose money every time you sell the product. You can always go back and edit the product's configuration. You can do this by clicking Item Master in the toolbar to see a list of all the components you need to make this sandwich. This is useful if you have a diverse team with a chef creating the menu or cooks following the recipe. You can then export this list into Excel and share it with the cooks. Okay, so let's go back to the main product page. So to sell the sandwich, drag it to the right panel. Indicate how many of them you'd like to sell. And then you can, if you need to, override any of the costs you've entered before. Type in the invoice number, and as an option, select a client. Once you click Sell, each SKU quantity will automatically be reduced to account for the sale. So let's go ahead and sell the 1 sandwich. And you'll notice that if we go back to the inventory, our on-hand amount for bread, turkey, mustard, mayo, tomato, and cheese have all been reduced by the amounts we've entered. But also notice how the flour, the egg, salt, and baking powder quantities will also be reduced, since these are the components that we use to make the brioche bun. Also notice that now the alert color on cheddar cheese has changed. This is because we are approaching the safety stock level, so we should place an order soon to be able to meet demand. To summarize this module, we've learned how to configure a product. We've also learned what the alert color on each product means. We've learned that every time we sell a product, our stock levels are reduced. And lastly, we've learned that we can share our item master list. So in the next video, we're going to show you the client module. Thank you.